Question number 13. Solve the differential equation. Then what is the value of x cube into y to the power of minus 3 is? So first of all we solve this equation. That is dy by dx is equal to minus x square y plus y power 4 into cos x. Now dividing on both sides by minus x cube, that is dy by dx is equal to 1 by x into y minus y power 4 cos x by x cube. So that implies dy by dx minus 1 by x into y is equal to minus y power 4 cos x by x cube. Now this can be converted into a standard form. So that's why dividing on both sides by y power 4. So y power minus 4 dy by dx minus 1 by x into y power minus 3 is equal to minus cos x by x cube. This is Bernoulli's formula. This is of the form Bernoulli's. So here we take y to the power of minus 3 is equal to t. Now this is minus 3 into y power minus 4 into dy by dx is equal to dt. So y power minus 4 dy is equal to dt by minus 3. This is minus 1 by 3 into dt by dx minus 1 by x into this is a t is equal to minus cos x by x cube. Now dt by dx plus 3 by x into t is equal to 3 cos x by x cube. Now this is the linear differential equation of order 1, first order linear differential equation. That means this is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q form. So we find integrating factor for this equation e to the power integral 3 into 1 by x into dx. So that is equal to e to the power of 3 log x, that means x cube. Now the solution is t into x cube is equal to integral of x cube into 3 cos x by x cube, cancel x cube into dx. Now this is 3 into integral of cos x means sin x plus c. T means, what is t? Y cube, x cube into y to the power of minus 3. This is the value of x cube into y to the power of minus 3 is equal to 3 sin x plus c. This is the required solution. 14th question. The solution of x plus 2y cube into dy by dx is equal to y. We want to find the solution of this differential equation. On both sides by y, x by y plus 2y square is equal to dx by dy. Now that implies dx by dy minus 2y square is equal to x by y. This is not correct. Minus x by y is equal to 2y square. This is of the form dx by dy minus 1 by y into x is equal to 2y square. Now this is also the linear differential equation in y. This is a linear differential equation in y. So that's why integrating factor is e to the power of integral minus 1 by y into dy, that is called e to the power of minus log y, e to the power minus log y, that means 1 by y. Now the solution is 1 by y into x is equal to integral 1 by y into 2y square into dy. Here y is cancelled, x by y is equal to y square plus c. Since 2 into integral of y Integral of y means y square by 2. 2 is cancelled. Y square plus c. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. An integrating factor of the equation. Integrating factor of the equation. So that's why the given equation can be converted into a linear differential equation. Then we find the integrating factor. So first of all, we write 1 plus y into 1 plus x squared into dx. That is equal to minus of x into 1 plus x squared dy. So that implies 1 plus y into 1 plus x squared by x into 1 plus x squared is equal to minus dy by dx. So cancel on both sides. 1 by x into 1 plus x squared plus y by x is equal to minus dy by dx. So that implies dy by dx minus y by x is equal to plus y by x is equal to minus 1 by x into 1 plus x square. Now this is the linear differential equation on x. This is the form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. So the integrating factor is e to the power of integral 1 by x dx. That is e to the power of log x to the base e. X is the integrating factor. So the x is the integrating factor. Number 16. If a curve y is equal to f of x passes through the point 1 comma minus 1 and satisfies the differential equation, then f of minus 1 by 2 is. So this is the given differential equation. This can be solved by using linear differential equation form, and we get the solution is y is equal to f of x. So the answer is y into dx is equal to x by y into dy. Now dy by dx is equal to y by x plus y square. So that implies dy by dx minus 1 by x into y is equal to y square. Now dividing, this is not in the standard form because it is y square. Here it is only p of x, the function x only, but it is y square. So dividing on both sides by y square, y to the power of minus 2 into dy by dx minus 1 by x into y power minus 1 is equal to 1. Now this is Bernoulli's form. So put y power minus 1 is equal to t. That implies y power minus 2 minus y power minus 2 into dy by dx is equal to dt by dx. So that's why we substituting y power minus 2 into dy by dx is minus dt by dx minus 1 by x into t is equal to 1. Multiplying with minus, we write like this. Now this is the standard form of a first degree linear differential equation in x. So that's why integrating factor is e to the power 1 equal to x. Now the solution is x into t is equal to integral of x into 1 into dx. Now this is x into t means, what is t? Y power minus 1 y by x, that is x squared by 2 plus c. This is the solution of the given differential equation. So this equation passes through a point 1 comma minus 1. So that implies minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 plus c. So that implies c is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 2. That means minus 3 by 2. So c is equal to minus 3 by 2. So therefore x by y is 1 by 2. F of minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 4